everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Carrie. This channel is all about Hawaii food and family. And today we are making, well, it's summertime first of all, so we found these really ripe mangoes at Foodland, and what I like about them is that they're local, so we know that we are supporting either a business here on Oahu, or I think these particular ones are from Maui, so excited to try them. But what are we making today, Mom?
We're making a very delicious mango pie that we've tasted now twice, and we just really love it. So we're happy and very fortunate to
get the recipe. But is this our first time making it?
This is our first time.
It's our first time.
And the recipe doesn't have all the amounts, so we are kind of guessing at the amounts here.
So it's going to be to taste, but hopefully this gives you an idea for something that you can make this summer with all of the seasonal fruit that we have. I personally love lychee that I've been eating a lot too, but I like to eat that just plain. So today we're going to be using mangoes. We're going to be making 2 pies for our family, so that's why we're kind of doubling the recipe, but we're going to be using about 4 mangoes. We're going to be using cream cheese, Cool Whip, some of the Knox gelatin, and sugar and water.
Right.
And we're cheating a little bit, but we're going to be using graham cracker crusts. So excited to try it. So what we're doing first is we're just going to be taking the skin off, and then we're going to be dicing them into cubes. So would you say that mango is your favorite, like
one of my
tropical
favorite local summer
fruits?
Yes.
Did you grow up eating mango?
Lots of mango.
Did you guys have a mango
was
tree?
Free when
What?
No one bought. We never bought mangoes or tangerines or oranges or even macadamia nuts. Our neighbor grew macadamia nuts.
Jeez.
We'd just show up with like a box of mangoes or a bag of mangoes or a box of tangerines or.
After deskinning the mango, cut the mango into approximately 1/2 inch size cubes.
This is 4 cups of hot water.
Okay. So we're gonna do 1 cup of gelatin for 1 cup of water, and since we're making 2 pies, we're doing 4 and 4. We just put it in?
Yeah. And then let me give it a whisk.
Oh, hurry, 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 it's clumping.
You're supposed to spread it out. You're supposed to sprinkle.
Oh,
Sprinkle,
I'm not used to you
sprinkle.
using gelatin.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Carrie. Sprinkle. It's
Oh, it has a weird smell.
It's made
Smells
from
like-
the
It
bones
smells
of
like a pet.
sprinkle. We're losing a lot of it.
Sorry. I'm shocked at the smell.
Because it comes from like the cartilage area of like cows or something big.
Ew. So also today we are celebrating Father's Day. So I know when this video comes out, it's going to be after Father's Day, but happy Father's Day to all of you dads out there. So that's why the family's coming over, and that's why we're having family dinner tonight. What are you making for Father's Day dinner?
I'm making a rib roast.
Rib roast. So I will also show our rib roast.
Okay.
So after we mix in the gelatin, we're gonna add in our mango. We're gonna put it in the hot water for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes. That's to sit for 15 minutes. Okay. Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
And in that time, we're going to
Make our cream.
Okay.
Okay. So for the
let's
cream
see.
of the mango
We
pie,
need about 2.5 cups for 2. So what we're going to do is this is 4 cups, right?
and this has been sitting out, so this is already at room temperature. Okay, so we're making 2. We're gonna just put 1 whole. I think you're gonna need at least this much.
Okay, we're going to do 2 cups.
Okay. So every so often you're supposed to mix the mango mixture, gelatin mixture. So we got this recipe from a family friend. We just want to say shout out to the Garvaccios for
Phil and Lori Garvaccio.
Phil and Lori for this recipe. My mom really likes it and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited to try it.
Okay, so 1/4 cup.
This is a 1/4 cup.
Okay.
But they're pros, which is why they don't really measure. So for us, my mom used to be a science teacher, so she likes everything like to the T, you know. Okay, here's the rib rolls.
Ooh, does it look good?
Yeah, sizzling.
So, okay, you're on that. Okay,
It's fine, just
do the whole thing.
or either
Half.
4, maybe, yeah.
Okay.
So this recipe I think also can be to taste, so a lot of flexibility here.
A lot of flexibility.
Good.
Oh, the cream cheese is still separate, yeah?
A little bit, yeah. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
So now let's put it together.
You maybe do need more than. It's about 1/2 inch.
So the directions are that it fills about 1/2 inch on the bottom of the crust.
Okay, let's see if there's enough for the other crust. Or we can just take some from the other one.
Okay.
Or use the rest of the Cool Whip.
Oh yeah.
I think what the cream cheese does is it gives it volume. Wait. Let's put this on first.
So you probably could use 1 container of cream cheese and 1 container of Cool Whip and
Well,
one.
carrot's enough, look.
You sure? Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Fill the bottom of the crust with about a 1/2 inch layer of the cream cheese filling. Scoop out the mango chunks and spread out on top of the cream cheese evenly.
Okay, now gently, I'm gonna pour this on top.
Want to use a ladle?
Maybe that might be a better idea.
Wow, you've
job.
actually taken one of my ideas. Here.
Pour the gelatin solution on mango chunks until all mangoes are half submerged.
Now it goes in the fridge till it hardens. Okay. What do you think?
Oh, it looks really yummy. Can't wait to eat it.
I just wanted to say, since we have it recording, that I'm very proud of my 3 daughters, Kathy, Jenny, and Carrie, for growing up to be the kind of people that they are. Just good, down-to-earth people, people you can trust, the honesty, integrity that they have grown up to be, the kind of people. And as a result, they have just great partners in life, Kyle and Laurie and Reed, and as a result of that, and all these great partners, they're just good people too. I cannot just say how good Kyle and Reed have been in to be very helpful in just helping me around, and then Laurie too, just being a great spouse for Jenny. And then as a result of that, of course, great grandchildren. I have seven wonderful grandchildren, and I enjoy them all, and I'm so happy to gather together as a family, because I think as every father's dream is just having a great family. And for Father's Day, I think most fathers would just enjoy gathering with the family and enjoying time together. So again, thank you everybody. I'm just very happy today again to see everybody and to be with my family. Made by the hands of who?
Gail and Carrie.
Gail and Carrie made this. So it looks delicious. Ooh, it's so no. It's terrific. It's sweet and not sour at all, not tart.
Is it sour cream?
Is it?
No, it's sour cream. No, it's Cool Whip and
Mangoes and what?
Tell us if we did it right.
cream cheese.
Or if
Cream cheese and Cool Whip.
Cream cheese and Cool Whip.
Should we get dessert plates?
Kathy's putting it on paper cups.
Oh, I see. I'm going to take your plate. Are you done? Yes. You want to take yours too?
Try it.
is it how they made it? Like, would you say it's the same?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Did you try this pie before?
Yes.
Okay, so you have
Very good. Very delicious. Good job.
You feel like
I think it just might need a little too hardened or something. Or I know the freezer was open though when I came, so.
Oh no.
Freezer was open.
Eat what you like. That's what I say.
Reed's Father's Day dessert is Zippy's donut.
Chocolate center donut. Better than mango pie.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. I'm allergic to mango. Happy Father's Day. She left you half of one, Tanner.
But you can have your own.
Okay.
Wait, so Mom, I have an
The cream cheese and the mangoes just go really nicely together. It's a nice combination. And Mom was right. We didn't have to put sugar in the gelatin mix because the cream filling is sweet already. So it's a very refreshing pie for summer. Super delicious. I hope this gives you some ideas on what you can do this summer with mango and with this summer fruit. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Tanner, you want a donut?